Boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Linkin Park's new song called Fighting Myself. So cool song there. And we'll start with the capo set on 4th fret to have the easiest chords possible. So capo on 4th, let's go over the 5 chords we need. So the first one will be A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is an F, so that's a bar chord. You place the bar on the 1st fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. E minor next, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. C, 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And finally, we have D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Okay, so this song is split in 2 different parts. It starts in one way and then it goes in the same way till about 2 minutes and 20 seconds, and it changes a little bit. So we'll start with the first part and we'll work with just downs, okay, just downs through the entire song. So we'll look at the first part there, and you can divide that into 2 different halves, okay? So the first half will be A minor 5 downs, then F 4 downs, and E minor 3 downs. So it goes like this. All right, so you play A minor 5 downs pretty fast, and then you have a short pause. And then you play 4 downs on F, and then immediately you shift to E minor and play 3 downs. So a little bit slower, it goes like this. So A minor 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pause, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, F to E minor. Okay, and then you repeat the same kind of rhythm here, but you have different chords. Now you're gonna play C5, and then a pause, and then comes the D minor 4 and E minor 3. So we do that slowly. C5, D minor 3, 4, and E minor 3. So together, one round sounds like this. And so on. All right, so you're gonna play that chord progression till 2 minutes, about 2 minutes and 20 seconds into the song, or perhaps 10, and then it's a break with just some lyrics or some instrumental part there, and then 2 and 20 starts a new kind of chord progression, a new different style of playing as well, because we'll have just straight downs, so no pauses and like that, just straight downs, so it's a little bit easier. You're gonna play 8 downs on A minor, 3 downs on F, 3 downs on C, and 2 downs on D minor. So A minor 8, F3, C3, and D minor 2, like this. Play that till the very end, and that, my friends, covers Linkin Park's Fighting Myself. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. This one is for you, and play tuned.